Good morning, Beard Droga family. Peter and I did a class with Gay Wardle on Monday. It was a really fantastic class. It was called Mastering Complex Skin Conditions. And I mean, it was fantastic. It's not always, sort of new information, but it's information that you just go, yeah, wow, yeah. Okay, I remember that and now I know how to apply it. And Peter and I always take these trainings away and then look at Beard Droga. Now, one skin condition we're going to just get into today is rosacea and red skin. Now, what Gay talked about a lot was that rosacea at its core is about two things, and that is vascular breakdown or concern, so redness, and barrier impairment. And these two problems, when they culminate and they come together, it's like the perfect storm. So what we want to do with rosacea skins is we want to control inflammation. This is the main focus of the active ingredients that we work with, and then also ingredients that help to strengthen the capillaries. So we know that when skin goes red and flushed, the capillaries dilate, they get larger, the blood rushes into them so the heat can escape. But in those skins that are fragile, the fragile capillaries, is that they stay dilated and they don't constrict back. And that is when they become visible, and that's when you get flushing in the skin and pooling of blood in certain areas. This is what we call Couperose, and it, do you love that accent? Couperose? I don't know where I picked that up from, but I think the Germans. Couperose and rosacea. So what do we want in skincare? We want anti-inflammatory and we want barrier. So when we think about red skin rosacea and the products, we're thinking calming gel to oil. This calming gel to oil has an anona extract, which is anti-inflammatory and works with lactic acid as a nourishing ingredient. Lactic acid makes up a large component of the natural moisturizing factor, the barrier of the skin. It's essential for skin barrier, and anona extract is a anti-inflammatory ingredient. Then I'm going to wash that all down the sink. So what we want to work with then is the calming lotion. So this one works with anona extract, the lactic acid, but also hyaluronic acid. So all the goodness and the goodies in the cleanser, we're going to leave on the skin in a lotion. When we apply this, we're going to wipe it on. We're going to leave that beautiful lotion on the skin. Now, the next product we're going to use is the CBD serum. Now, I was for a little bit moving away from CBD, okay, with red skin rosacea, and just focusing on the Couperose Care product. But now that I've done this course with Gay, and I've realized that barrier is really, really important. And the CBD serum has both barrier, barrier strengthening ingredients such as the lactococcus ferment lysate and the oligohyaluronic acid, but it also has anti-inflammatory, and that is the CBD, and also oligohyaluronic acid is not only a hydrator, but it's an anti-inflammatory ingredient. So the CBD serum is a must for Couperose skin, and we're going to work with that. So we could use this all over, the CBD serum all over, and then we could just work with the Couperose Care on those red skin areas. Why is this product essential? This has so many ingredients in it. So telangian, the tetrapeptide 40, is the star ingredient along with the azelaic acid. Both of those ingredients, we know that telangian prevents redness, okay, whilst azelaic acid reverses redness. It controls and calms the skin. So those two ingredients are essential, but it also has the ceramides, which feed the good bacteria in the skin. So these products, you start to see, okay, so they all work together, but the main common goal of those products is anti-inflammatory, calming in the skin, and barrier enforcing. Now, I think that the perfect moisturizer for rosacea, okay, some clients will find that that they can use whatever moisturizer they want, no problem at all. But I think the Hypersensitive Care product is the perfect moisturizer for those skins with Couperose and Rosacea. So Calming Gel to Oil, Calming Lotion, CBD Serum, Couperose Care all over those red areas, and then the Hypersensitive Cream to finish off. Now you're looking at there like, oh my gosh, that's 5 products. We are talking about a complex skin condition here that needs more than just changing a cleanser and a moisturizer. Get your clients on board with this journey. These products, when worked together, work. They absolutely work. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.